Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we have a creamy tomato and shells dish. All right, as you can see here, I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm sauteing up 1 small onion that I diced up over about medium heat. You want to do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you want to add 3 cloves of minced up garlic, and you want to cook this for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. You may have to adjust if you're using an electric or induction range, but stir fairly frequently, and then we should be ready for the next step. And then we want to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. If you can't find that, tomato sauce will work just fine. Or if you want to get a little fancy, get a thing of San Marzanos and blend them up in the blender. I would also recommend going to medium-low to low at this point for the heat. And then we also want to add a half a cup of heavy cream. And then just give this a little stir around. Of course, add salt and pepper as well. That's a given. And then you just want to simmer this slowly. Right now, I would start the water for your pasta. Make sure you salt the water. You want it salty as the sea. And cook the pasta 1 minute less than package directions. Like I said, just low heat. Let this get happy. All right, next step, which is pretty much the last step. Okay, we have our shell pasta drained and in the bowl. Now we're going to add the sauce. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. It's not vegan, but this is vegetarian because I can't cook for vegans. I always forget something. And then you just want to give this a stir around. And that's pretty much it. Let's serve it up. And then just a dusting of Parmesan cheese. And that's that. Creamy tomato shells. Done.